today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Constant Contact. This process is simple and takes only a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Constant Contact account, head over to their website, and enter your credentials. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your control center for managing marketing campaigns. Now, look for the Create button, usually located at the top of the page. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Email from the options. This action will prompt you to start setting up your new newsletter. Next, you'll be presented with a decision. Choose one of the pre-designed templates or start from scratch. If you're new to this, templates are a great starting point, offering a variety of layouts designed to meet different needs and styles. Once you've chosen your template, the fun part begins, adding your content. This is where your newsletter takes shape. Start by clicking on the template sections to add your text. Ensure your messaging is clear and engaging. You can also add images, buttons, and links to make your newsletter more interactive and visually appealing. Drag and drop features in Constant Contact make this process a breeze. After your content is in place, it's time to customize. Head to the design panel to adjust fonts, colors, and your overall layout to better reflect your brand. A cohesive look that matches your brand can significantly impact how your audience perceives your message. Take a moment to review your selections and ensure everything aligns with your branding strategy. With the content and design settled, it's important to see how it will look on different platforms. Utilize the preview tool provided by Constant Contact. This feature allows you to see your newsletter from both a desktop and a mobile perspective. Given how many people check emails on their phones, ensuring your newsletter looks great on mobile is crucial. This step is your opportunity to spot and fix any formatting issues. After previewing, click on the Continue button. This leads you to the final stages of setting your newsletter in motion. Now, you'll choose the contact list to which you want to send your newsletter. Constant Contact lets you manage and segment your contacts effectively so you can target specific groups if needed. With your list selected, you're nearly there. Finally, you have the option to either send the newsletter immediately or schedule it for delivery at a later date. If you prefer sending it now, simply hit send. If timing is critical, for instance, you need to coincide with a product launch, use the scheduling option to ensure it reaches your audience exactly when you want. And that's it. You've just created and prepared to send a newsletter using Constant Contact efficiently and effectively. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.